What is the area of the regular polygon? Label C, D, E, and F. Join line C, E. But the interior angle of a regular polygon equals the product of 180 degrees and n minus 2. All divided by n. Here, n equals 9-sided polygon. It implies that the product of 9 minus 2 and 180 degrees. All divided by 9 equals 140 degrees. It follows that angle D equals 140 degrees. This implies that angle EC, D equals to angle C, E, D, which equals 20 degrees. After substitution and simplification of values. It is because the base angles of isosceles triangle are equal and the sum of angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. Hence, angle EC, F equals 140 degrees minus 2 times angle EC, D, which equals to 100 degrees. After substitution and simplification of values. Let line C, D equals X. This is the side length of the polygon. Since line C, F equals line C, E. Triangle EC, F is an isosceles triangle. Also, line C, D equals line ED. Triangle C, D, E is an isosceles triangle. Let us define the length, line C, E, using cosine rule. It signifies that the square of line C, E equals the product of 2 and the square of line C, D times 1 minus cosine 140 degrees. Substitute X in place of line C, D. The green region equals area of CDE F, which equals to the sum of the half of the square of line C, D times sine 140 degrees, and the half of the square of line C, E times sine 100 degrees. This result is equals to 3. Substitute values and we have a new equation for the area of the green region as shown on the screen, which we equate to 3 that is given in the figure. Simplify completely this equation and we have that 2.0606080,646 times the square of x equals 3. Divide the equation by 2.0606080,646 and we have that the square of x equals 3 divided by 2.0606080,646, which equals to 1.455880937. We call it equation 1. Take out one of the triangles of the nonagon for illustration purpose. Let y equals its opposite side length. Its angle subtends at the center of the nonagon equals 360 degrees divided by 9, which equals 40 degrees. It is because the sum of angles at a point equals 360 degrees. It follows that its base angles, each equals to 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, all divided by 2, which equals 70 degrees. It implies that, using sine rule, x divided by sine 40 degrees equals y divided by sine 70 degrees. Cross multiply and we have that y equals x times sine 70 degrees divided by sine 40 degrees. Now, we can find the area of the polygon. It implies that area of one triangle of the nonagon equals half of the product of the square of y and sine 40 degrees. Substitute the value of y we obtained earlier. It means that area of one triangle of the nonagon equals the product of x and the square of sine 70 degrees, all divided by 2 times sine 40 degrees. After substitution and simplification of values, hence, area of 9 triangles of the nonagon equals the product of 9 and the square of x times sine 70 degrees, all divided by 2 times sine 40 degrees. Substitute the value of the square of x obtained in equation 2 and simplify. We have that the product of 9 and 1.455880937 times the square of sine 70 degrees, all divided by 2 times sine 40 degrees equals 9.0 in square units.